it's Saturday, April 4th. Welcome back. We have one part for your workout today. We have sprint intervals ahead of us. 10 rounds for max repetitions, 1 minute of work, and 1 minute of rest. In your 1 minute of work, you will perform 6 handstand push-ups, 6 hang squat cleans, 6 burpee broad jumps, and in any remaining time, you will perform jumping squats for max repetitions. If we were to score this workout, your score would be the total number of jumping squats you perform at the end of the workout. So, for the handstand push-up, we are prescribing this as a kipping handstand push-up, but certainly you could modify it any of the traditional ways we do, meaning you could do a strict handstand push-up, a box handstand push-up, or a piked version of a handstand push-up on the floor. For the hang squat clean, we'd like this to be something of moderate weight that you could move, ideally doing 6 repetitions in a row. Depending on your equipment at home, it would work to use a barbell, a pair of dumbbells, a single dumbbell, a single kettlebell, or that heavy bag, sandbag, or strange object you have created to perform these hang squat cleans. For the burpee broad jumps, we're prescribing that men jump 4 feet and women jump 3 feet on their broad jumps. Good luck. Let us know how you did.
All right, you guys, welcome back. It's Saturday, April 4th. I'm gonna lead you guys through another warm-up. All right, to start it off, get the heart rate going. We have 50 high knees and 50 butt kicks. For the high knees, just wanna get those knees up, quick and speedy, and then butt kicks, heels to butt. All right, moving on, we're gonna do some stretching. All right, to start it off, we have a couch stretch. You could set up to a wall, maybe on a bench, a box, whatever you have on hand to post up that leg and open up the hip. After that, we have a wall calf stretch where we're gonna pin up our foot and really stretch out the calf here. We're gonna get about 30 seconds to a minute on each leg. All right, after that, we have squat and fold. All right, on the squat and fold, we're just gonna have fingers under toes, drop to the bottom of the squat, floss back, 10 times. All right, and for the last portion of the warm-up, we have 3 rounds. We're gonna do 5 sprawls, 5 push-up to down dog, then 10 hip thrusts, and 10 air squats. All right, on the sprawl, remember push-up list burpee. So we're gonna get down to plank, bring the hips back up to the top 5 times. Then we have the 5 push-up to downward dog. Gonna push up, head through the shoulders, 5 times. After that, we're gonna swing around our legs, get on our back, arms spread out wide, 10 hip thrusts. Squeezing the glutes at the top. Gonna come back up, we have 10 air squats. All right, get after it.